is very important. Most of the multiple choice will come from this problem. 917. In the following sentences, circle the correct term in boldface. If the solid retention time is low, if SRT is low, for example, 4 days, which condition exists? The F over M, is it low or high? The relationship between SRT and F over M is the following. First of all, when you have less sludge age, which means that you are washing off a lot of biomass, which means that mass is low. Biomass is low and food is high. So if you have lower SRT, which means that you are having an F over M, you are washing a lot of biomass, so this biomass is small and this would be higher. So F over M is high. Makes sense. That's A. B. The power requirement for the aeration will be less or greater. Are you going to have less, remember, less air, or you're going to have a lot of air, a lot of money for air, too much aerations? Well, that depend on extended aeration. If you have high SRT, now we have less SRT. So since you have less SRT, you'll have less air or less power for air. For aeration. Let's look for C. The microorganisms will be starved or saturated. Well, let's look at this. Lower SRT. Now, if you have lower SRT, you will have higher F over M. If you have higher food and less M, what do you mean starvation? They are having fun. They will be saturated. So C is not starvation, saturated, because there is more food than microorganism. So saturated. The microorganisms are having fun at lower SRT. D. The mean cell retention time. Well, of course, mean cell retention time is the same as SRT, so it's low. E. The sludge age, SRT and sludge age is the same. Same thing. The sludge age is low. This is E. And then F. The sludge wasted rate may have been recent. Okay, the sludge wasted rate. If you have lower SRT from this equation, what are you going to have for this? Increasing wasting. Okay, now here you will see increased. That's F. Let's look at G. The MLSS may have been increased or decreased. Where is the MLSS? You will look at this X. If you have lower SRT, you will have increased MLSS. So the MLSS will be increased.